How to find the mean, median, and mode using Microsoft Excel. First, open the Microsoft Excel. Click Blank Workbook. In Microsoft Excel, click cell A1 and type Respondent. Then click cell B1 and type Grade. Type 1 in cell A2, 2 in A3, and 3 in A4. Select cells A2 to A4. Drag the small square, fill handle, at the bottom right corner of the selection downward until the number 10 appears. Click the first cell under Grade, B2, and type the grade of Respondent 1. Continue entering the grades down the column until Respondent 10. Click the Data tab on the ribbon. On the right side, click Data Analysis. From the list, select Descriptive Statistics. Click OK. Click the small arrow button beside it. Highlight the grades from Respondent 1 to Respondent 10. Press Enter to confirm the selected range. Check the box for Summary Statistics. Click OK. The results will appear in Sheet 2. In Sheet 2, locate the mean in the Descriptive Statistics results. Copy the mean and paste it in Sheet 1. Do the same for the median and mode. After pasting all three, you now have the mean, median, and mode computed using Microsoft Excel.